get this stupid thing to work. I want to create awesome videos for my business, but it's like solving a Rubik's Cube in the dark. I don't have the time or the patience to figure all this tech stuff out. Don't worry about it. You don't need to go to film school to make great videos. What do you mean? No stress. You can make amazing videos with just your cell phone. No need for complicated gear or hours of setup. But even if I get it working, I'm terrified that my video will turn into a comedy of errors and everybody will just laugh at me. Your videos can stand out and get attention even if you've never been on camera before. But don't I need to memorize a script like I'm auditioning for a Hollywood movie? Nope. You don't need a script longer than a novel, and you certainly don't need to be a Hollywood actor to get started. Well, I'm convinced. So how do I get started? So unless you want to keep wondering why these cat memes get more views than your business, just click the link below to get my free training on how to create awesome videos with just your cell phone, and I'll see you inside. No stress, no fancy equipment, and definitely no Rubik's Cube nightmares.